Hello, and welcome to Grizzly's video for belt replacement on the G1023RL Tablesaw series. My name is Kent, and this is one in a series of how-to videos to help our customers upgrade and maintain their Grizzly equipment. This is Shaun, an engineer at Grizzly. Together, we'll show you step by step how to replace the drive belt on your G1023RL series table saw. This video is designed to give you an overview of the procedure so you can visualize the process. It should be used in conjunction with the written instructions that came with your table saw. We recommend you watch this entire video and read these instructions thoroughly before beginning this job. You can also call our technical support number at 570-546-9663 if you need further assistance. Now let's get started with a basic overview of the G1023RL series table saw and the tools you will need to adjust or replace the belt. The G1023RL series table saw features a multi-rib belt which should work well for many years. You will want to check the belt monthly to ensure the belt has not become cracked, frayed, or glazed. If damage has occurred, be sure to replace the belt immediately, as it will lose its ability to effectively and efficiently transfer power from the motor to the blade arbor. The procedure can be easily performed with just a few basic tools. You must have a 5mm hex wrench, a 12mm wrench or socket, and the arbor wrenches that came with the saw so you can remove the blade. Most importantly, always follow all shop safety procedures when working on any machine. And remember, there are no more important safety devices than these. The first step is to disconnect the machine from power. Remove the table insert. Use the included arbor wrenches to loosen the arbor nut and remove the blade. Before proceeding with the next step, we recommend that you thoroughly vacuum out the inside of the saw cabinet. That way, if you drop a screw or something small, it won't get lost in any built-up sawdust. To access the belt, you will first need to remove the two cap screws securing the dust collection chute to the saw. Reach in through the table insert and use your 5mm hex wrench to remove the cap screws. Then, remove the dust collection chute and set it aside. Next, remove the two cap screws securing the mounting plate to the saw. Now we need to detension the belt. To do this, open the large side access door to reach the motor and belt tension adjustment bolts. Loosen the two belt tension bolts using a 12mm wrench or socket. Lift the motor, then tighten the bolt to hold it in place. Now, lower the arbor about 4 turns from max height using the height adjustment wheel. Now remove the old belt and replace it with the new belt. Once the new belt is in place, loosen the bolt and lower the motor to tension the belt. Check to see that the belt is correctly tensioned by applying moderate pressure to the center of the belt with your finger. A properly tensioned belt will have approximately 1/8 of an inch of deflection. Reinstall the mounting plate. And dust collection chute. Raise the arbor and reinstall the blade to test run the new belt. Remember that all belts will stretch slightly with use. Most of the stretching occurs within the first 16 hours of use, so be sure to check the belt tension at that point and then on a regular basis to keep your table saw running its best for years to come. Grizzly maintains a huge parts warehouse with more than 1 million parts in stock for our machines. You can find each part for your machine in the supplied manual or online at grizzly.com, or you can speak to one of our customer service representatives by calling our toll-free number, 1-800-523-4777. Now, let's make some sawdust.